What happens if you get into an accident in a Turo car? Let's break it down. If you're not familiar, Turo is a peer-to-peer car sharing platform, kind of like Airbnb, but for cars. Instead of renting from a big name rental agency, you can use a Turo app to borrow a car directly from an individual car owner. It's convenient, often more affordable, and provides a more personalized experience dealing directly with the car owner. Now, when an accident happens though, that's when things can get complicated. So here's what you need to know. First, when you rent through Turo, you don't get a traditional insurance policy like you would from Enterprise or Hertz. Instead, Turo offers protection plans, which are essentially coverage options. These protection plans, the ones you select at checkout, determine your level of coverage and out-of-pocket costs if an accident happens. That being said, did you go with the basic plan? Or did you ultimately go ahead and select the standard or premier plan? Those are options you have to go ahead and consider. Each plan offers different levels of liability coverage, deductibles, and damage protection. So knowing what you selected is rather crucial. If an accident happens while you're in a Turo car, take these steps to ensure your safety. Make sure everyone is okay, of course, first and foremost. That's what we're going to want to do. Secondly, you're going to call 911 and get a police report. This will be important later down the line when we're fighting for your case. Exchange information with the other driver. Make sure that everything has been gathered from them and you've provided your information to them as well. Take photos of everything, the damage, the license plate, the scene, and any injuries that may have been attributed to this accident. Write down what happened while it's fresh too. You don't want to go ahead and forget anything that may be crucial down the line. Next, report the accident through the Turo app. They have a dedicated section for incident reporting, so follow these steps carefully. They'll be in the application and it'll tell you exactly what to do. Also, don't forget to contact the car's host directly and make sure to keep all communication in writing. Here's where things can get tricky. Liability depends on who was at fault and the laws in your state. For example, if someone runs a red light and hits you, they're likely at fault and their insurance should cover the damages. If you, however, caused the crash, your Turo protection plan and possibly your own insurance will then come into play. But keep in mind, because this is a shared vehicle, you might be dealing with Turo, the host, and possibly the other driver's insurance all at once. It can be a mess. Here's where you might want to consult a lawyer. You're seriously injured, there's significant damage or confusion over liability, you're getting the runaround from Turo or the host, you're being contacted by other insurance companies. Most personal injury lawyers offer free consultations, so if you're unsure, it's time to give us a call. If you're renting a car through Turo, understand how their protection plans work. If you're in an accident, document everything and don't hesitate to seek legal help if things get complicated. Give us a call. We're here for you. We're ready. Being informed is the best way to protect yourself if an accident happens while renting or sharing a car through Turo. If you like this video, please do not forget to give it a like, comment, subscribe, and share.